Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing both devices so the laptop can trust the phone. Enable developer options and USB debugging on the Vivo T2 5G. This allows the computer to negotiate a tethered connection reliably. Once done, set the phone's USB mode to file transfer or directly to USB tethering. That choice determines whether the laptop sees network or storage interfaces. Make sure you use a high-quality USB-C cable and connect to the laptop's main USB port to avoid intermittent power or data issues. Next, you enable the actual tethering feature and let the laptop accept network configuration. On the Vivo T2 5G, go to Network and Internet, then Hotspot and Tethering, and toggle USB tethering. If you prefer wireless, enable portable hotspot and set a secure password. Once enabled, the laptop should automatically detect a new network adapter and request an IP address via DHCP. If it doesn't, manually refresh adapters or use network settings to enable that adapter. This step gives your laptop internet access through the phone's mobile data. To finish, verify you have internet by opening a web page. Confirm mobile data and signal strength on the Vivo T2 5G because weak reception limits speed. If the laptop shows no connectivity, disable and re-enable tethering, unplug and replug the USB or switch ports. Sometimes a simple restart of phone or laptop forces proper enumeration. If problems persist, update or install the laptop's USB/RNDIS drivers and run the network troubleshooter so the OS can configure the new adapter correctly and restore access.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.